Kumpleto ang mga miyembro ng Diplomatic Corps sa pangunguna ng dinilang si Papal Nuncio Giuseppe Pinto sa kauna-unahang New Year Van de Noor ni Pangulong Duterte.
To your success, Excellencies.
Saka nagbiro ang Pangulo.
Kampay. Bottoms up, in the sub-diplomatic gatherings, especially in Asia, we just say kampay. It's always bottoms up. So be careful with this, our Asian brothers and sisters. When they say kampay, I say, no, just half of the kampay.
Dumalo ang halos lahat ng miyembro ng gabinete. Naroon din ang iba pang matataas sa opisyal ng pamahalaan. Pero wala si Vice President Leni Robredo. Tinanong ng media si Chief Protocol Officer Marciano Painor kung bakit wala ang Vice Presidente. Pero hindi na ito nagbigay ng pahayag. Sa pahayag ng kampo ni Robredo, sinabing noong December 28, nakatanggap ng imbitasyon ng Vice para sa Van de Noor. Pero nitong January 4, binawi raw ito ng Malacanang. Ang ibinigay daw na dahilan, limitado lang daw ang nasa listahan ng mga bisita. Sabi pala niya, invited siya pero niretract nga.
That's what the press release said, but I don't have any confirmation regarding that.
Sir, will the Vice President continue to be snubbed during major events like this?
I don't think the word is snub. Just she also has her own participations in public service. And for example, today she was in her executive office, and then also I think she's also supposed to speak somewhere this evening.
But sir, will the palace continue to exclude her from events like this?
It is a prerogative of the palace to invite those who they feel is needed to be there.
Wala rin sa pagtitipon si Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno. Hindi nagbigay ng pahayag ang Korte Suprema. Ayon sa spokesman na si Attorney Ted Te, ang palasyo raw dapat ang tanungin ukol dito. 2 beses nag-host ang Van de Noor o Wine of Honor ang palasyo tuwing New Year at tuwing selebrasyon ng Independence Day. Ito ay isang diplomatic event kung saan ma-exchange of toast sa pagitan ng Pangulo at ng Papal Nuncio na siyang Dean of the Diplomatic Corps. Noong mga nakaraang administrasyon, may mga pagkakataong dumadalo ang Vice Presidente at Chief Justice pero may pagkakataong wala rin sila. Ayon sa isang source sa DFA, walang protocol na nagsasabing dapat dumalo ang Vice President o Chief Justice sa Van de Noor. Prerogative daw na nakaupong Pangulo kung sino ang iimbitahan. Sa talumpati ng Pangulo, iginiit niya ang kahalagahan ng pakikipagkaibigan ng Pilipinas sa iba't ibang mga bansa.
In a world that recognizes our interconnectedness and respect each other's sovereign independence, the horizons and frontiers of cooperation are virtually limitless. Friendship, after all, knows no bound.
Mr. President, the word solidarity means much in this country, and we, members of the Diplomatic Corps, feel that we were a part of the Filipino people, of its hospitality, and its determination to face the challenges of adversities brought about by forces of nature or arising from events that take place.
Ian Cruz, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.